Well, they're certainly expecting some floods here. Look at the scale of the levees. Well, it's gold and sparkly. How do we know that isn't iron pyrites? I mean, I don't. Okay, the disturbing piece of art, Allen Mantle. What? And the flood barriers continue. Oh yes, you've got to be happy with that. Yeah, not so much with that. Including the lady at the filling station, that's 2 people awake in Dolgellau. 3 including me, that I know of so far. Infant boarding school. Sad to see such a beautiful building not being used. Not even by a telecom company. You ever heard of that religion before? Oh, I was Catholic. Cambria is the Latin word for Wales. Well, I've told you why a geological era is named after Cambria, because of these rocks, the first to contain multicellular life.
joking.
1852. Don't know how much more of this amazing stone masonry you can take. Press on. I'm going to have to find another harp tune. There's just too much of this. That is a very tasteful rebuild. So they've rebuilt it new, but they're going to reface it with old stone. Why don't they just do that everywhere? A 29-year-old Volkswagen camper van. A nice example for its age, too. Oh, what a tragic waste of a even younger than my Berlingo. Actually, even in a worse state than when I found mine. I know my van is around here somewhere. So, if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see me walking around more old towns like this, then you have Llanuted Wells there, Wells in Somerset there, Clifton Hampden in Oxfordshire there, and subscribe to me there.